I'm back, guys, with another video, and we're just gonna jump right in. I'm gonna take the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna take this matte yellow shade with the MAC 286 brush and use that as a transition color. I'm gonna use that same brush and take that matte orange shade and pop that color right into my crease. I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm using that dark purple shade, and I'm just gonna blend that into the orange into my crease. Now I'm taking a flat brush and I'm using that same purple shade, and I'm just gonna pack that onto the lid. I'm taking my MAC 217 brush and I'm just making sure that everything is blended seamlessly, and I'm also going to add a little bit more of that orange eyeshadow and also the purple eyeshadow. For foundation today, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade MC45. And I'm taking a damp beauty blender to blend that all in. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Farm for highlight today. I'm taking the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the concealer under my eyes. Now I'm going to use the mineralized skin finish in the shade dark and just set the foundation on my face and also dust away the excess powder. For contour, I'm using a MAC 268 brush and the Film Noir blush, also from MAC Cosmetics. I'm taking that same matte orange shade on a Morphe E36 brush and I'm just running it across my bottom lash line. I'm taking that same E36 brush with that matte purple shadow and I'm just adding some definition to the bottom lash line. I'm mixing these two blushes from MAC Cosmetics. I'm not really sure of the name, so I'll leave it down in the description box. For lip liner, I'm using Chestnut lip liner from MAC Cosmetics. For lipstick today, I'm using a whipped lipstick from NYX. I don't remember the name because it's scratched off of the bottle, so I'll try to find the name and add it on the description box. For highlight today, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dip Glow Kit, and I'm using the E36 Morphe brush to highlight my inner corner. And I'm also going to go ahead and highlight my cheekbones. Now I'm just basically adding some finishing touches, making sure that my eyeshadow is really pigmented, making sure everything is clean. Okay, you guys, this is the completed look. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.